Hey guys, how's it going? How to buy a Valorant account. Buying Valorant account or Valorant account, involves several steps, but it's important to note that purchasing an account is against Riot Games terms of service and can lead to permanent bans. If you still wish to proceed, here's the general guide. Choose a reliable marketplace like G2G or Epic NPC, or you can search for a Valorant account. Use the search function for the marketplace to find Valorant accounts that meet your requirements, and carefully read the account details including rank, skins, or any other included features. Review the seller's ratings, feedback, and instructions, transactions to history to ensure that they are trustworthy, and follow the website's procedure to buy the account. This usually involves adding the item to your cart and proceeding through the checkout process. Once you have the account details, change the password and update any security settings to secure the account. Important note: buying and selling accounts is risky. It can result in account bans or scams. Always prioritize safety and consider the potential consequences before proceeding. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.